Construction progress, Barcelona new stadium Spotify Camp Nou. Starting with the parking area, significant strides have been made in leveling the space, and more concrete panels have been installed. This is crucial as the construction team works against the clock to ensure the stadium is ready by December. The new section near the tower crane has also been concreted, with pillars beginning to take shape. Although some areas are still waiting for additional work, it's clear that the pace is picking up. Moving to the north stand, nearly all the painting is completed except for a few central areas. Construction crews have removed most of the black panels, leaving behind a smooth concrete surface in some sections. On the other hand, the south stand is still waiting for the installation of a vital truss. If luck is on our side, we might see it lifted into place soon, which would be a significant milestone in the project. Heading over to the seating areas, the team has been busy reinforcing the grandstands. In some parts, the old concrete has been chipped away to make room for new installations. The first tier is still covered in scaffolding, and while progress has been slower here, workers remain relentless. Whether it's under the sun or in the rain, these crews are making sure every piece of rebar and concrete is perfectly placed. On the exterior, we can see more of those iconic cantilevered terraces taking shape. They'll eventually surround the stadium, creating a unique, modern look. New trailers have arrived with more materials, including steel beams and panels that will be critical for the next phase of construction. From the looks of it, we're getting closer to seeing the full structure come together. Before wrapping up, let's take one final panoramic look at the stadium. The north stand is almost ready, and with the south stand's final truss going up soon, things are really coming together. We're witnessing history in the making, and I can't wait to see how this iconic stadium will look once it's all done. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.